Welcome back to the podcast today. We're diving into a financial classic that's changed the way millions of people think about money, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, by Robert T. Kiyosaki. This book isn't just a financial guide. It's a story about two contrasting influences in Kiyosaki's life: his own poor dad, who was a highly educated official, and the rich dad, his friend's father, who was a savvy entrepreneur. It explores the different mindsets about money and how those perspectives can shape your financial future. So, let's dive into the key takeaways and see how these ideas can help you on your own financial journey. At the heart of Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the contrast between the mindset of the rich and the poor. Kiyosaki's poor dad, despite being highly educated and having a stable job, struggled financially because he followed the traditional advice: get a good education, find a secure job, and work hard for one company for your whole life. On the other hand, his rich dad, who was not as formally educated, emphasized the importance of financial literacy, understanding investments, and building assets that generate passive income. Kiyosaki learned that the poor and middle class often work for money, while the rich make money work for them. This fundamental shift in perspective is a game changer for many readers. He emphasizes the importance of financial education, which isn't always taught in schools, and the need to understand the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets, according to Kiyosaki, are things that put money in your pocket, while liabilities take money out. This simple distinction can make a huge difference in how you manage your finances. He encourages listeners to think about building a portfolio of assets, like real estate, businesses, or investments, that can provide a steady stream of income. Rather than relying solely on a traditional job for income, it's about learning to make money work hard for you, instead of you constantly working hard for money. This concept is crucial for achieving financial independence and freedom. Kiyosaki also talks about overcoming obstacles to financial success, like the fear of losing and the fear of criticism. He believes that we need to learn from our mistakes and not be afraid to take calculated risks. He also stresses the importance of continuous learning and adapting to change, especially in today's rapidly evolving financial landscape. Kiyosaki encourages listeners to develop a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity and to be proactive in managing their finances. It's about taking control of your financial destiny and making informed decisions to build wealth for the future. He also highlights the importance of financial intelligence, which includes understanding accounting, investing, and the legal aspects of money. By developing these skills, you can make better decisions and create more opportunities for yourself. It's about empowering yourself with knowledge and taking control of your financial future. So, what can we take away from Rich Dad, Poor Dad? It's not just about making more money. It's about understanding how money works and how to make it work for you. It's about shifting your mindset, building financial literacy, and taking control of your financial future. Kiyosaki's story reminds us that financial independence is possible if we're willing to learn and take action. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to improve your financial situation, this book offers valuable insights and practical advice. In our next episode, we'll explore some of Kiyosaki's specific investment strategies and how you can apply them to your own financial planning. So, make sure to tune in for that. Thanks for listening, and remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with knowledge and taking action today.